Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. This video is a little tutorial on how to reboot and fix some bugs in the Tesla. And as you know, Tesla is a computer on wheels. And so computers have bugs, and sometimes you have to reboot the computer to fix something. And also, very importantly, so you know, whenever you take your Tesla to the service center, understand that they will play with your settings, and sometimes they will do something to your setting that will mess up something that you already did. And I'll give you an example. So I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to make sure that your mobile app has access, and how to reboot the Tesla. Here's what happened. So last week I turned on my mobile app and it says mobile app has no access. So I called Tesla support, and what happened, there's a place in the setting that you're supposed to activate your mobile app, otherwise it will not work. And it was fine until I took it to the service center to change tires. They played around with my settings and they disabled it. The second thing was the Tesla has a web. Okay, you can go on the internet on the Tesla while you're driving even. And so it was on and off and on and off. And sometime, for whatever reason, after you do an update, there are bugs. So you need to reboot the Tesla. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to turn the camera to the screen, and I'm going to show you how to make sure that you have access to your mobile app if it's get disconnected, and how to reboot the Tesla screen to fix internet access or anything like that. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to turn the camera around. All right, guys, back in this car. So if your mobile access is not working, if your app on your phone is not working, it's probably because it got disconnected for whatever reason. So you go to the main screen, you go to safety and security, you scroll down, and right here at the very end, at the bottom, there is something called allow mobile access. Make sure it's blue. Okay, make sure it's blue. If it's not blue, it's because somebody touched it, or the service guy in Tesla touched it. That's what happened to me. You make sure it's blue, and then you'll get it. Now, the second thing is, in the last version, version 9, we got this suit over here, this little icon suit, and one of them was the web. So you can go on the web. So I got the internet one day, 2 days, no, yes, no, yes, no. So it wasn't consistent. So here is what you do. Sometimes the entire computer, the entire Tesla screen needs to be rebooted, like you will do to a regular computer. So what happens is, you have to be in your car. It has to be parked. It can be plugged in or not. That doesn't matter. It can be plugged or not. What you do is this. I'm going to move the camera. This is the steering wheel, and as you know, the steering wheel has two buttons. This scrolling right here, you can see, and this one right here, you can see. So you have to have a foot on the brake, and then you have to press the two buttons at the same time. So I need to have my two hands. Once you press them at the same time, the screen will turn into black, and then there will be a big T as in Tesla, okay? The big T as in Tesla will come up. It's going to be a big T. And then once you see the big T, you let go, and the screen will come back. I did it yesterday, so I'm not going to do it again. I don't want to mess it up. But basically, one more time, you press down. You don't scroll down. You press like you push a button. You push them down, one and then the other. Push them down at the same time with your foot on the brake. On the screen, there's going to be a big T as Tesla. And then you let go with the buttons, and you lift your foot off the brake. Once you do that, after the T appears, the screen will come back and all the bugs will be fixed. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you, guys.